Hi YouTube. This tutorial is related with customizing the checkout process. So let's say you want to minimize all the fields that are there. So let's say we have something like this. We add it to cart. Okay, so let's go to cart and go through to checkout. Okay, so this is a different site. I want to show you what it normally looks like first. So let's add to cart here. Okay. And you can see here we have tons of fields on the left hand side here under billing. Okay, so let's say we want to minimize all of this. Maybe we're selling digital products, who knows? So you can see here, we've minimized it to 1, 2, 3 plus additional information. So how do we do that? Okay, the first thing to do always is to make a backup of your website, because you're dealing with modifying the code in the back end. Okay, so if you've got any security plugins activated, it may prevent you from entering into this portal. So if we go here to the back end of the website, go here, editor, and then from here we come down and we want to paste this text at the very end. So after the last text. So for example, with me, the last text was here. So I came down and pasted this here. So you can customize this depending on how you want this to look. So I've deleted everything but these first 3 fields. Okay, but if I was to modify, let's say to delete these 2 here, then of course the address fields would reappear on checkout. So I'm going to leave the full code in the description below. So this is the full code here. So this deletes pretty much everything. So it's just a matter of tinkering with this, deleting, and keeping what you want depending on how you want this to look. Okay, so if you want to reduce all of these fields here to something like this, maybe you're having a digital product, maybe you're selling a service and you don't want all that information. Okay, hope that helps. Make sure you click save and update file. Be sure to do a backup.